Hi there, welcome to your Eastern Idaho planning briefing for March 1st. It is Sunday. We do have a band of snow persisting very early this morning. That will gradually track off to our south and dissipate mid to late morning this morning. Our other weather story will be a strong northerly wind expected for much of the day today, and then some cold morning temperatures are expected in the Sawtooth Stanley Basin tomorrow morning. Now here's our satellite imagery for this morning showing that moisture across Idaho and the lingering snow showers early this morning. Speaking of that, I'll jump ahead here real quick and show you that radar imagery as of very early this morning. This band of snow showers is still across the Snake River Plain. You are probably waking up to those snow showers this morning and some snow on your lawn. But this band, you see, it was much heavier in intensity in the overnight hours, and it's a little bit lighter in intensity across the Pocatello, Blackfoot, Idaho Falls region as this loop progresses through. So you see it's sort of tracking off away from our area. That will continue over the next few hours here, and then continue to see that weakening trend. Okay, our weather impact overview for the rest of the day. The lingering snow showers for the early morning hours, and maybe some blowing and drifting snow for some areas, including the Southeast Highlands and Eastern Highlands, including Island Park and the Teton area in particular. And then the northerly wind component, that will be increasing as the day goes on and the snow moves out. Otherwise, we don't have anything else to talk about for the rest of the day. For tomorrow, we have the cold to talk about across the Sawtooth area. We'll show you a graphic depicting how cold exactly it's going to be, and then some cold temperatures as well in the Mackey-Chalice Arco area. Maybe some lingering snow showers in Island Park area, and maybe some fog development across the Snake Plain where we saw the snow showers today, but otherwise a break for tomorrow. Some light snow is forecast for Tuesday in the Eastern Highlands and Southeast Highlands, and maybe in the Sawtooth area as well. And similarly, we are seeing that for Wednesday, and then Thursday is another break day. Okay, so here's our model depiction of the current snow showers moving out of our area. So you really don't see a whole lot of this precip left over in the afternoon hours. So all that blue indicating any snow showers is all out of here. Okay, so how much snowfall amount-wise are we expecting? So anywhere that you see this light blue color is less than an inch of snow for the rest of the morning. So as far as additional snow accumulation, what you have on your lawn when you wake up is basically what you're going to get, with the exception of perhaps areas along the border of Utah. So if you live in Preston, Malad, Montpelier, maybe you'll see a little bit more snow accumulate early this morning. And then there might be some lingering snow showers, again, in the southeast corner this afternoon, but amounts are very, very light. We talked about the increasing wind speed today, so here's what we're forecasting for that wind speed. You'll see it's all out of the north, or a northerly component to the wind, and we're looking at that 15 to 20 or so range across much of the area, with the exception of the Magic Valley area, and then portions of Stanley Basin, and the Leadore area, not necessarily gusting too high. This afternoon, the winds start to pick up across a lot of the area. So in the areas we saw the 15, now we're seeing 20s. And then notice the areas of the darker blue, those are 25 plus. So these are the wind speeds, the sustained wind forecast. So expect higher gusts. And by this evening, we're similar, but a couple notches lower. So we're starting to see some improvement in the wind, but still a little bit elevated. What's our high temperature for today? We are looking in the mid to upper 30s across the Snake River Plain. plain. Otherwise, we're about 32 in Chalice, 31 in Chalice and 32 in Stanley. Our low temperatures tomorrow morning, a couple areas that stand out here. This deep purple is well below zero, so we're looking at -8 for a low tomorrow morning in Stanley, so pretty chilly up in that area. Arco Desert also kind of stands out. We're just below zero in that area, and then right about zero in Island Park tomorrow morning. High temperatures tomorrow were pretty similar to today, but a couple degrees warmer. So we will see a warming trend later this week, but we're just not quite to the point as where we will be later this week by tomorrow. So we're warming, but not quite there yet tomorrow. Okay, so a band of snow persists early this morning and will gradually track to the south and dissipate mid to late morning. A strong northerly wind is expected for much of the day, and some colder morning temperatures are forecast in portions of our area tomorrow morning. Okay, as always, with any questions or concerns, you can call us at any time. You can check out our website. Our forecast is always available 24/7, as we are via the phone or on any of our social media platforms here. We will speak to you tomorrow with our recorded briefing, Monday, March 2nd. Thanks for watching.